Welcome back to Empathy is Money. I am your host, Namdi. And just like always, I want to remind you all what empathy means. The definition empathy is the ability to identify and understand the wants, needs, and viewpoints of those around you without experiencing those same events yourself. People with empathy are good at recognizing the feelings of others, even when those feelings may not be obvious. You're watching the Empathy is Money show. It's my duty to remind you that you are far better a human being when you're an empath. The world needs more people who are compassionate. Capitalism can be done with compassion. Let's go into the main topic for the day. I'm interested in sharing with you the news with regards to NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and how it's taking the world by a storm. The current news is that NFT marketplace OpenSea plans to integrate a layer 2 protocol, Immutable X. Well, if you've traded NFTs, if you've traded Ethereum or any one of the tokens on Ethereum, you just know that the gas fees are ridiculous. So, NFTs, which are built on the Ethereum blockchain, are also affected. Well, OpenSea is a platform where you buy, sell, and trade um, Ethereum. It's an NFT. It's an NFT marketplace. And very recently, the a very famous venture capitalist, 16 ounce, what are they called? They're called 16 A16Z, which is yeah. If you know what is what and who's who in the venture capital space, you've heard of A16Z. Any, anyway, they helped OpenSea raise $23 million recently, and as soon as that happened, we're now hearing that OpenSea is getting into a relationship with an Australian-based company called Immutable, and they're focused on creating a more accessible and seamless trading platform, Immutable X. And Immutable X is the first layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain with instant trade confirmation and high scalability, providing um, at least 9,000 transactions per second with, guess what? This is the best part, zero gas fees. It solves the problem. Now, I'm optimistic, as in, we can't keep waiting for Ethereum mainnet 2, aka optimistic rollup. It takes too long. I mean, recently they said it's not going to be available until some point in July. So we're stuck with these high gas fees for now. But at least we got a company out in Australia trying to solve the problem. Immutable X is that layer 2 that's going to come on the platform OpenSea.io, so that if you go on there and you're trying to trade your uh, buy and sell your NFTs, you're not riddled with ridiculous gas fees. I hope that it works out because I've minted an NFT on OpenSea and it was expensive. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I'm gonna look out for more news and I'll bring it to you. Again, my name is Namdi. Like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment down below so I know what else to talk about. I'll see you next time.